Let's take a look what's inside of the PBA bubble. Ballrooms and meeting rooms have been converted into viewing rooms with one dedicated for each of the 12 teams. Upon entering the Quest Plus hotel, each individual will go through a secondary swab test and will be confined in their hotel rooms until the results come out negative. Over 200 rooms will be dedicated to the league, where two players are expected to share a twin room. Instead of buffet, breakfast, lunch, and dinner will be packed and served outside every door. Snacks, pastries, and other options are available at the hotel's food outlets, where individuals are still required to observe physical distancing. There are plenty of amenities for players to enjoy during their stay inside the bubble, such as lounge, pool, gaming area, and the jogging lane found within the hotel's premises. The biggest hotel gym in Clark is also at their disposal, but only 15 persons at a time may use the facility. As mentioned by BCDA President Vince Dizon, the championship golf course will be made available to the Bubble's delegates but only on Mondays. A 10-minute drive from the hotel, the Angeles University Foundation area will be the official game venue, which still be considered a part of the bubble. 4 rows of chairs will serve as the bench of each team, as players and coaches are expected to maintain social distancing. Face masks must also be worn at all times except when playing on the actual court. A second court within the AUF facility will be converted into a practice court so teams may train simultaneously.